by Kevin Richards and myself, Michelle Wright. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with 1 restart on wall 3 after 24 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about where that restart happens, and then we're going to go around and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn tailgate sit-in. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a grapevine with a stomp together to the right, so we're going to step our right foot side, left behind, right side, and we're going to stomp our left foot next to our right, taking weight on both feet. We're now going to do a ramble to the left, so we're going to swivel both heels to the left, both toes to the left, both heels to the left, and then both toes center, keeping your weight on your left foot. So let's try it with some counts. Grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right now your weight is on your left foot and you're facing 12 o'clock. We're going to do a right rocking chair to start section 2. We're going to rock forward with our right, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right, recover onto your left. We're now going to do 2 quarter pivots, stepping forward with our right foot, make a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot, and we're going to repeat that. Step forward with your right, make a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. You'll be facing 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to Lindy to the right and the left. So we're going to chasse to the right, step our right foot side, left together, right side, and you're going to rock your left foot back behind your right and recover onto your right. We're now going to repeat that with the left, chasse to the left, left side, right together, left side, and we're going to rock our right foot back behind our left and recover onto our left. So let's try it with some counts. Chasse to the right, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to stomp forward with our right foot and we're going to clap our hands. We're going to stomp forward with our left and we're going to do a double clap. We're now going to do a jazz box quarter turn with a cross. So we're going to cross our right over our left. Step your left foot back. Make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot slightly forward, and then you're going to cross your left over your right, and you will be facing 9 o'clock to start the dance all over again. So let's try that last section with some counts, stomping with the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you would go into your grapevine for the next wall. So let's face the front. We're going to do a 1 time through with steps and 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your grapevine. Side behind, side together, heels, toes, right rocking chair, 2 quarter pivots, step, quarter pivot, Lindy, side together, side rock back, recover, Lindy, side together, side rock back, recover, stomp, clap, stomp, double clap, jazz box quarter turn with a cross. Let's try it with some counts. Grapevine to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now the restart happens on wall 3, which is your back facing wall. We're going to dance the first 24 counts and then you will restart the dance. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our grapevine to the right, side behind, side stomp together, heels, toes, right rocking chair, 2 quarter pivots, step, quarter pivot, Lindy, side shuffle, rock back, side shuffle, rock back, recover. Right here you'll return to 12 o'clock and you will start the dance over again and dance all the rest of the walls without worrying about anything. Your dance is going to naturally end facing 12 o'clock after your rocking chair on the last wall. So you don't even have to worry about an ending. So now let's go around. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance just so you can get how it flows and how that restart happens. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps, and on the side walls, we will do counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your grapevine. Side behind, side stomp together, heels, toes, right rocking chair, step, quarter pivot, Lindy right, rock back, recover, Lindy left, rock back, recover, stomp, clap, stomp, double clap, jazz box, quarter, turn, grapevine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 24 counts, side behind, side together, heels, toes, right, rocking chair, step, quarter pivot, Lindy right, rock back, recover, Lindy left, rock back, restart, grapevine, side behind, side together, heels, toes, right, rocking chair, 2 quarter pivots, Lindy to the right, side shuffle, rock back, stomp and clap, stomp, double clap, jazz box, quarter, turn with a cross. And then you'll keep dancing the dance all the way through without worrying about any other tags or restarts for this dance. I hope this helps you learn tailgate sittin'. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.